Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Abigail if you're new. Um so um it is Wednesday night. First time I picked up the camera today. I film on my phone, but the first time I've picked up my phone to film. The day just kind of went by. Spent some time with my mom today, watched a movie together. It was actually supposed to be like a watch this 30 minutes type of deal, but then it turned into watching the whole movie, so I watched that with her. So I did that, and mostly I'm just hanging out at home. Try not to overdo it. Because of like my heart rate issue. It seems like the more I like move around, the more hyper my heart rate has been, so I mean, like, walking around is fine, but just trying not to, like, overdo it. End up staying home tonight from church. Normally, I go on Wednesdays and Sundays, but tonight I stayed home because I wasn't feeling the best. So I stayed home with my mom. I don't really feel like I did very much today. Yesterday I had this big box in my room from Christmas. It was like this big box that we put like all my Christmas presents in to like take it home. And yesterday I went through that box of stuff and put everything where it needed to go. And then tonight has mostly just been relaxing and just hanging out at home. I got my night feed set up. I think it was, I don't remember if it was this morning or last night or a couple nights ago. Here recently, I woke up to my pump beeping. So my feeding tube pump at night, it goes on this stand, and then this is my bag of formula, and then that over there's the charger. And at night I'm hooked up to it, as you can see. That down there's my extension, and then this is my the bag that attaches to the extension. So I don't remember what exact day this was, but I do remember one night I woke up to my pump beeping, and if my pump beeps, that means something's wrong. Like either the formula went bad, it has air in the tube, or it's kinked or something. So I wake up to my pump beeping. I was asleep, by the way, and it goes beep, 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 beep. And I wake up to realize that in my sleep, I had accidentally kinked the end of my tube, and when it's kinked, like bent over, and formula can't get in or go through, it it beeps on me to let me know that I'm not getting any feed, which it's supposed to do that. But I was asleep when that happened, so I guess I had like rolled over on my tube and kinked it, so it couldn't go through, but it was like on accident, and so like I was totally asleep, and then I hear this huge beeping sound, and anyways, it was kind of funny because like I woke up like kind of scared, like what's going on. Also, this was also a funny story. So my mom gets up really early in the mornings besides the weekends, to go to work. And how we do it is like how we do my flushing with my feeding tube. Put water through my tube every so often so that it doesn't kink. My mom comes in my room early in the morning and flushes it for me, and then I'll flush it again when I get up, like for the day, and then I'll flush it like every 4 hours throughout the day, and then flush it again before I go to sleep, and then our routine starts over. Well, I think it was this morning, or maybe last night. I'm thinking it was this morning though. I had woke up when my mom had come into my room to flush my tube for me before work. And you know how like whenever you like wake up and like your mind isn't like totally clear or like awake? Like the first thing that I told my mom was that I had a pimple on my nose right here. You'll probably see that. And my mom was like, well, did you put any kind of like cream on it or anything to help? And I was like, I don't even remember what I said. And my mom said around that time I went back to sleep. It was just funny because it was like a random conversation that we had that had like nothing to do with even the reason my mom was in my room. So that was kind of funny. Because I had woken up early in the morning just because I was worried about this pimple. I do have like a certain kind of like cream that I put on it to help with my acne, but I thought it was funny that was like the first thing I was like worried about this morning. Trying to think if there was one more thing funny that happened. I don't really think there is anything else funny that happened. So anyways, thank you all so much for watching. Be sure that you like the video, subscribe if you're new, hit the notification bell, and I will see you all next time. Bye everyone.